Guys, for today we're gonna review this bootleg Optimus Prime Evasion mode. I bought this for only 200 pesos and the quality slightly okay. And the transform into the rock board, and it comes with this blaster that you can shoot. Like that, we're gonna transform it. So transforming method is basically almost identical to the classic Optimus Prime transforming mode. The foot is very general. You will just flip it. It's kind of hard to transform. So as you open this one, you're gonna push this one up, down, and pull this one up. Then you'll be able to separate this one here, and as you can see, after separated, you pop out Optimus Prime's head, and you'll be able to take this one off and separate it from the front. Here you fold this one, so you can put down these wheels. After that, yes, you can pull him upward. Pull down Optimus Prime's head. And the twist arms is a little bit tricky, but you can just flip it. The other one too. And now pull down to Optimus Prime's head. And this one, put this upward, so it will stay at his neck. And there, lift this one, it acts as his chest. This one too, and flip it in the middle like that. And this trunk, pull it upward like this one and close it. Make sure that this one is inserted into the middle of the trunk. So here, the foot, fix the foot into the middle, and as you can see, it's already transformed. Just a little adjustments. This is the Optimus Prime Evasion mode. So the quality of the plastic is pretty durable. It's not that good, but it's not that bad. It's not that loose too, which is good, where it can be transformed. I like this one because it's only requires rice, and it comes with a shotgun which is color blue. So look at the details here. As you can see, the eyes are not that painted and not that good, but it's okay. And I painted this one, this part, and this one. It's a solid blue, but I painted it gray. So here is it for the Optimus Prime evasion mode. Gonna take a little shot. I'm gonna play with it for a while and take a photography with it. Wait.